Hi everyone, here we've got REALME X2 Pro, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So actually we've got two different ways to do it. The very first one is using directly our contact list, and the second is using the dialer settings, and of course I will show you both. So let's begin with our contact list. Let's enter it. Oh, I don't know what I did. So let's enter it, let's enter the contacts and find the contact you'd like to block. Then let's tap on it and tap on this Add to Block List option. Let's tap on it simply. Now your device is asking you if you really want to do it, because you won't receive any calls or messages from that contact once it has been blacklisted, and call history and messages generated earlier will be moved into blocked calls and blocked messages. So if you are ready, if you are sure, just tap on Add to Block List. And as you can see, from now on this number is blocked. Obviously you can unblock it just by tapping on Remove from Blacklist, but let me leave it blocked because I would like to check if it will actually appear on the blacklist. So now let me get back, and that was the very first option which allows us to block a number. And now let me show you the second one, and as I said, it is using the dialer settings. So actually it doesn't really matter if you will be on your favorites, here, contacts, or phone. Oh my god. Or phone. All you have to do is simply tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Block and Filter. As you can see here, we've got our blacklist, so all you have to do is just tap on it, and as you can see, the number we just blocked from our contact list appears right here. And as I said, here from this level you can also add a number just by tapping on this plus icon, and here you can enter the number manually. You can block by prefix or select a number probably from the contact list. Let's tap on it. Yes, as you can see, we've just been transferred to the contacts, but here we've got also the difference. You don't have to block contacts one by one, but you can pick a lot of them. So for example 3 or 4 or 5 or whatever. If you are done, just make sure that all of those all of the numbers you just want to block are marked, and tap on Add. And as you can see, they immediately appear on the blacklist, and from now on obviously you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from them. And as I said, we can also enter a number, so just by tapping on it you can see that the keypad appears, and we can manually type the number we want to block. Just tap on Add after that, and the same situation, it also immediately appears. You can of course unblock all of them just by tapping on them. Yes, if you will tap on the number a little bit longer, you can mark the numbers you'd like to unblock and then tap on Remove. Now tap on Remove from Blacklist, and as you can see, the blacklist number is empty. So it means that we successfully unblocked them, and we will be able to receive all incoming calls and text messages from them. So actually that's all. This is how to block a number in your REALME X2 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.